In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly download images from Google Drive, upload them to Wix Editor, and effectively use them on your site. This process will not only enhance your visual presentation, but also help you manage your website more efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. We're starting by accessing Google Drive. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials. You'll see a list of files and folders. Find the folder that contains the images you want to download. If you have a lot of files, you might want to use the search bar at the top to locate your images quickly. Once you've found your images, simply right-click on each one and select the download option. This action will save the images to your computer, typically in the downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Now that we have the images on our computer, let's open the Wix editor. Access your Wix account using your browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the site you're working on and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, allowing us to start customizing your pages with the new images you've just downloaded. The editor is intuitive, but if you're new to it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available. Next, we'll upload the images into the Wix Media Library. In the Wix editor, look for the Add button on the left side of the screen. It's represented by a plus icon. Click on it and then select Upload Media from the options. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose files from your computer. Navigate to where you've saved the images from Google Drive, select them, and hit Open to upload. Your images are now added to the Wix Media Library, ready for use across your site. With your images uploaded, it's time to incorporate them into your web pages. Head over to the page you want to edit. You can do this by using the menus at the top of the editor to switch between different pages. Once you're on your desired page, click on the existing image element that you want to replace or add a new image element by clicking on the Add button again and selecting Image. From here, you'll have the option of My Uploads, where you'll find your newly uploaded images. Choose the images that best fit your needs. Adjust their placement, size, and alignment to complement your site's design. Remember, visuals play a crucial role in engaging your audience and supporting your site's message, so take your time to ensure everything reflects your site's style and purpose. And that's it! Follow these simple steps and you'll have your images from Google Drive beautifully showcased on your Wix site in no time. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps boost your web design journey.